can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. Market updates. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. We're having a big bounce in the markets today. All coins are up double digits, Stacks is up 10%, Mana is up 10%. Looks like we're going to have a great week in the altcoin market. Over the last 1 week, we're seeing double-digit gains across the board. In the altcoin market, Bitcoin has rallied back above $87,000. Ethereum trades around $1,600, and Solana has got into as high as $140. Are we ready for that relief rally? Is the crypto market gearing up for one big relief rally before we start our dumb to gobbling town? Gold has hit a new all-time highs. Will crypto be next? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with sentiment in the cryptocurrency market. The Fear and Greed Index tells us right now there's still fear in the cryptocurrency market. That has been a recurring theme over the last 1 month. Market participants are still in fear. Bitcoin has ranged from as low as $75,000 to as high as $87,000. And right now, market participants are waiting for one big spark that will lead us into that golden bull run, into that relief rally, depending on where you stand. But liquidation in the cryptocurrency market has been increasing. The last 24 hours has seen the bulls and the bears pay for their misdeeds. The bears have lost over $144 million, while the bulls have lost more than $73 million. And the past 24 hours, more than 97,000 traders have been liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $218 million. The largest liquidation order happened on Bybit. One trader lost $2.75 million. And Bitcoin accounts for the largest part of those liquidations. Bitcoin, the king of the market, right now trades above $87,000. That move towards $87,000 was what caused all that liquidation. And right now, it feels like the 7th of May 2025 was the bottom. Bitcoin is up from the bottom around 17%, currently trading at that $85,000 level. Over the next few days, I will not be shocked to see Bitcoin reclaim the $90,000 level and maybe, just maybe, make a move for that $97,000 level. If we use our Fibonacci retracement tool to see how far Bitcoin could possibly go, remember, nothing is guaranteed, nothing is promised. We could easily see Bitcoin having great reactions in any of this level. One of the first key levels to watch out for will be $92,000 level. If Bitcoin continues rallying, watch out for $96,000 level. And my best case scenario for Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks will be Bitcoin trading around $99,000. At that point, at that price point, I'm sure market participants will be happy, they'll be excited, they'll be expecting more upside. I'm sure sentiment would have improved at that price point. Gold has been getting to new all-time highs, has been worrying a lot of crypto bros. Gold has gotten to as high as $3,391. Gold has been on the charge over the last few months from November 2024 when gold was trading at $2,500. We have seen gold over the last 150 days rally up by 33%, which is a very, very huge move for gold. Will the crypto market join soon? Let's take a look at Solana, one of the biggest gainers in this cycle. Solana reached as high as $295. But since when Donald Trump came into office, we have seen the market tanking. We have seen Bitcoin tanking, and we have seen Solana also join in the process. We have seen Solana go from $298, dumping to as low as $97, losing a total of 67% of its value in a 78-day period. But as Bitcoin is bouncing, the altcoin market is also bouncing. Solana from the bottom on the 7th of May 2025 is up 45%, trading above $140. I'll not be shocked to see Solana rallying towards $180, $190, maybe above $200 in the coming days and the coming weeks. We use our Fibonacci retracement tool to see how far Solana could possibly rally. We'll pay keen attention to the $200 level, the $223 level, and best case scenario, we see Solana getting to as high as $242. Now, if you take a look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum also had its own big dip from as high as $4,100. We saw Ethereum dumping to as low as $1,300. The first 3 months of 2025 was brutal for the crypto market. But right now, we are seeing a bounce. Right now, we're expecting a recovery. Ethereum went down 65%, dropping to as low as $1,398. Ethereum from the lows is up around 18% over the next few days, over the next few weeks. I expect to see Ethereum rally hard into the Petra upgrade, which is going to be happening on the 7th of May 2025. Coincidentally, the 7th of May 2025 is when the Fed is going to have another meeting. We're going to learn whether they're going to cut interest rates, hold interest rate, or they are going to raise interest rate. Total crypto market cap currently sits around $2.71 trillion. We saw the total crypto market cap getting to as high as $3.75 trillion in December of 2024. But since then, a huge decline has occurred in the cryptocurrency market. The first 3 months of Donald Trump's office has been talked about, and Trump tariffs, trade wars, which has affected the crypto market, affected the stock market. Gold has gone to new all-time highs. Total crypto market cap dumped to as low as $2.31 trillion. And forget that retracement rally, if get that relief rally coming through, if Bitcoin is going towards that $100,000 level, we see Ethereum trying to rally towards $3,000 level. I'll not be shocked to see the total crypto market cap make a move above the $3 trillion level, maybe even getting to as high as $3.33 trillion. And if that's going to happen, guys, I'll expect to see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. I'll expect to see the altcoin market flying. Bitcoin right now currently around $87,000, a move towards $99,000 to $100,000. Nothing to write home for Bitcoin. That's less than a 20% move. But the altcoin market is where the action will happen. For us to see the action happen, we have to see Bitcoin dominance dumping the cryptocurrency market. Some of us still remember the pump that happened in November of 2024 when Donald Trump won the election. That was Bitcoin dominance dumping. We saw Bitcoin dominance losing just around 11% of its value. You saw how XRP, HBAR, XLM, and a whole other altcoin had huge pumps. That's what I expect to see happening over the next few days and the next few weeks. I expect to see a decline in the value of Bitcoin dominance. At the same time, we're expecting to see altcoins pumping to higher prices. Market participants that have been following their gains into Bitcoin, market participants that have been scared running into Bitcoin, running into stable coins, I expect them to run back into the altcoin market over the next few days and the next few weeks, thereby shooting Bitcoin dominance down, thereby shooting stable coin dominance down. And if you see that, guys, you see the altcoin market pumping, you see Total Tree pumping. Total Tree currently sits at the $779 billion mark. If you don't know what Total Tree is, guys, Total Tree is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. We saw it getting to as high as $1.15 trillion in December of 2024. A 702 retracement rally will see us almost get to that $1 trillion level. Best case scenario, a 702 retracement rally will see us get to as high as $1.01 trillion. You want to pay attention to that level. If you see the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, having a huge pump towards that level, market participants start behaving irrational. You start seeing talks of this time is different. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Bitcoin has done its own 702 retracement. Altcoin markets are outperforming Bitcoin. Guys, these are telltale signs that we're close to the end. These are telltale signs that maybe, just maybe, you should get some huge cash off the table because a huge dump to Goblin Town is around the corner. So things I'll be watching out for this week: stablecoin dominance. I'm expecting to see a decline in stablecoin dominance. I'm expecting to see a decline in Bitcoin dominance. I expect to see altcoin market increasing. I expect to see that crypto market increasing. I expect to see Bitcoin make an attempt towards $99,000. Let's take a look at some news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin can reach $138,000 in 3 months as macro odds says Bitcoin price upside. Bitcoin all-time highs are back on the table despite the highly challenging current macro environment, network economics team Peterson suggests. I personally believe the Bitcoin bull run is over. I believe the bull run ended in January 2025. Right now, we're in the early phase of the bear market where market participants are still in denial. So maybe, just maybe, I'm right. Maybe, just maybe, I'm wrong. It's better to be defensive. Bitcoin wheels pundits continue to stack throughout April. Data shows over 60 big bag Bitcoin holders were added throughout March and April as the price of Bitcoin slump. Bitcoin breaking out as it retakes $87,000 after early April slump. Bitcoin prices have reached their highest value since late March as the asset is on the verge of a breakout. Bitcoin is up 33% since the 2024 halving as institutions disrupt cycle. institutional investments, and Bitcoin ETFs have accelerated the 4-year Bitcoin halving cycle despite growing uncertainty fueled by global trade wars. The gist is that the market wants you to feel bullish, or the news wants you to feel bullish. You can see that positive news are pouring out for Bitcoin, and over the next few days you might see more positive news pouring out for Bitcoin. You might see a rise in the value of Bitcoin, but watch out for that $99,000 level. If you take a look at the meme coin market over the last 7 days, we are seeing a bounce. We are seeing some return of life into the meme coin market. Meme coins are having a nice time. Fatcoin have been strong. Fatcoin is up over 100% over the last 30 days, up 188% over the last 60 days. But remember, guys, nothing goes up forever. Anything that goes up quickly, at some point in time, the future is going to dump down to gobbling town quickly. Top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, relatively still unchanged. Cardano sits at number 10, Tron sits at number 9, Dogecoin sits at number 8, Solana is number 6, BNB sits at number 5, XRP at number 4. Bitcoin is still the king of the market, while Ethereum still sits as the largest altcoin we have in the cryptocurrency market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. We're expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump this week. We're expecting the altcoin markets to dump. Is your moon bag ready? Are you ready for that epic altcoin season? Are you ready for Bitcoin to retrace? Are you ready to go to the moon? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.